Hey everybody, let's cook up this Sukhi, some chicken tikka masala. Got this from Walmart. It's got tender white chicken and a creamy tomato curry sauce. Forgot to mention the best part, it's got naan bread included. Go ahead and puncture the tray a little bit. We'll put that on high for 2 minutes. While that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and cook up this naan. Or better yet, put it in the toaster. And we'll go ahead and mix the two together. Ooh, naan's done. Oh yes. Oh, it's nice and hot. All right, let's give this a go. Chunks of chicken the chunks of chicken are pretty big. Recommend you cut them up a little bit. Good curry flavor. The naan. Get it. Thanks for watching. This is delicious. Holy cow.